If you're in a divorce in Texas, at some point you're likely going to be ordered, or you already have been ordered, to alternative dispute resolution, which is a fancy way to say mediation. And what the heck does that even mean? It means that you're going to jointly pay a third attorney to play judge, to give you advice, a third party expert to give you advice and the other side advice about the strengths, the weaknesses, and the things that are coming at you in your case, and put you in charge of your ultimate decision on what's going to happen with two of the most important things you're ever going to have to make decisions on: your family and your property. And that mediator is making only recommendations. And that mediator is going to sometimes feel like they are pushing you to maybe give some things up to the other side. You can rest assured that the other side in that mediation, in that other room that you're not in, is going to be feeling the same pressure. And another thing that gives you some comfort about how that mediation process works is it almost never involves all of the parties in a joint session, is what it's called, at the same time. So that means the uncomfortableness that you might be thinking about: am I going to have to see my soon-to-be ex over there? I really want to give them a peace of mind, or I really want some distance from that person because of the hard feelings that we're going through right now. Unless both sides agree to have a joint session, you don't even need to worry about that, because mediators almost never suggest that that's beneficial in a family law case. But what it does do is it gives you a singularly best chance to be in charge of your decision, to give up some of the things that you might be entitled to. The other side's going to be forced to give up some of the things they think they might be entitled to reach a compromise and be in charge of the outcome, instead of putting it in the hands of a stranger. Because what you get in the courthouse may not be fair. And a judge told me once long ago, fair happens in Dallas in September at the State Fair of Texas. That's not what happens at the courthouse, right? What happens at the courthouse is the way the judge sees it. You can get a custom agreement in a mediation, something that you can get in no other place, and it's enforceable. And at the end of it, you're done. You're finished. The case is essentially, with a few minor steps left, resolved, and you're in charge of that resolution. And that's a great thing to have in your corner.